Welcome back to the wood shop, guys, and today we've got just a short little video with the help of the guys over at Banggood Tools. Now recently those guys actually sent me a pretty good pile of tools just for me to review, put a video out for you guys, but I felt like one of those was a bit of a shining star, at least in my opinion, and I've wanted one of these miter gauges for a long time, and that's why I felt like I needed to put an extra little video out there just in case you might have missed that video and you're interested in one of these miter gauges yourself. And they're actually running a summer sale promotion right now, so now is a great time to go check this one out, and I'll leave a link to that below. So let's go ahead and go over some of the things I think are outstanding on this. First off is the look. This is a very nice machined aluminum, anodized, nice coating. You see the black with the red handle. I think that is absolutely just a nice look to it. You've got these stop blocks here that's actually got two of them, so you can set it at different measurements. It's adjustable, of course. You can loosen the knob here, slide it up and down. One of the best features also, it's got this extendable fence. Gives you a lot of stability for longer work pieces. I think that's absolutely great. I've got some previous footage I used from the video where I reviewed the tools. So I'm going to put a bit of that up here showing you exactly how accurate this is. But just take my word, this thing, I've tried it at 90 degrees, at 45 degrees, and it is dead on every single time. Now for just a closer look, show you how things work. So here's your handle, which also loosens up, allows you to move your miter gauge. And as you can see here, if I can catch the light just right, you see all these little indentions. And that is going to be your positive stops for all your different degrees. Now you want to pull this little knob out and rotate it and then set it at whatever setting you want. Now if you want it to stop in one of those, you actually get it close to where you want. You can release that little knob and we'll go ahead and lock that in. You can probably hear it click. It's kind of faint, but I don't know if you picked that up. It does click, and once that's in there, it's actually very secure. Tighten that back down. And one of the best features about this one, in my opinion, when you put this into your slots for your table saw, or at least in mine, there is absolutely no deflection in this whatsoever, and it still runs back and forth smooth. However, if yours is not completely perfect, you see these little set screws in here, you can adjust those out to tighten that fit up. Makes it a great use for any table saw. So as you've seen all the great little features, guys, if this is anything you're interested in, I'll leave a link to this in the description, or head on over to banggood.com and check this out for yourself, along with many other things they got running on their summer promotion. And just a quick note from me, don't let the internet trolls shame you into what tools you're buying. You know, if you're getting accurate results and a good quality tool at a fraction of the price, you're coming out in the winner in my book. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. We'll see you on the next video.